guys, Plexi Cosplay here with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your sewing machine. A lot of times this can get neglected for a bit too long and it can really wreak havoc on your machine. So go ahead and pull it out today, follow along, and let's clean those machines. For this, you're going to need your sewing machine, all-purpose machine oil, and some Q-tips to clean. To get started, we need to unscrew the base plate of your machine. Your machine usually comes with a tiny screwdriver of sorts to help you out with this process. And now begins the real fun part of things. Get your Q-tips and start gathering dust with the end of your Q-tip. Don't be stingy with these. Go ahead and dig around in all of the cracks and crevices, all the way down as far as you can reach. And then remove your bobbin case so that you can clean underneath the case itself as well. If you haven't already, this is a great time to remove the needle and your presser foot so we can really get in and remove the dust a little bit easier. Don't forget to clean under where the presser foot was and the needle as well whenever you get a chance. Now it's time to pull the machine cover off of your sewing machine. There's typically a screw on the side and behind. Just unscrew those to remove the machine cover and then you'll expose the thread tracks. Now that we've cleaned the dust off of all the parts of the machine, it's time to go ahead and oil our machine. Before you put the cover back onto your machine, make sure that you oil the thread tracks. Your manual will have the exact points where you want to add oil into the thread tracks. Once you finish that, go ahead and screw the cover back on and then check out your manual again to see where in the bobbin case to add oil. Mine has 2 points in my bobbin case, so I'm going to add just a few drops of oil to those points before I reassemble my entire machine. So I hope your sewing machine is looking a lot nicer than it did before we started this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I also have links in the descriptions to a lot of the things that I use here in my own cosplay room. But go ahead and like and subscribe this video, and I will see you next Tuesday for another tutorial.